Hello everyone, based on popular demand, I'm going to be teaching you how to mint and sell your own NFT. So you want to start by downloading MetaMask and creating your account, and you go to the browser. From browser you open OpenSea.io, and then you go to your account, my collections, create a collection. Then you input the required fields like the logo image, the featured image, the banner image, as well as other little details like that. When you're done with that, you want to name the collection. It's very important that the name has not been taken by someone else, and you also want to customize your URL if that's important to you. When you do that, you can also leave a description if you want. I didn't put a description here just for example purposes. So that you select a category and you select the percentage of creator earnings. This means anytime your NFT is sold, the percentage you're going to make from that. They would also ask you for a wallet address. You can copy it from your wallet here and go back to paste it in the browser. And when they ask for blockchain, if you have gas fees to pay in Ethereum, you can select Ethereum. But for new beginners like us that don't have gas fee, we use Polygon. And then you create your collection. After creating your collection, you have to make sure that you start putting things inside. You click on add item and you create a new item. So this is where you actually create your NFT. You pick the picture that you want to make into an NFT, or the video, or whatever it is. You name it. Ensure that the name is not taken, because that's a big deal. You can put a description of the image. This will make it more likely for buyers to purchase it. People love to have stories around the image that they're buying. And you add it to a collection if it's under a particular collection. You're not a robot, and you've minted your first NFT. After this, then you can decide to list it for a particular price, because right now this NFT does not have a price. So when you click on sell, you can list it for sale and put the amount in Ethereum. It will also show you the corresponding worth in dollars, and depending on how long you want to keep it on sale for, a week or whatever. Just click on complete listing when you're done, and that's it.